Wait, are you thinking of buying land in Nigeria but you don't know where to start? Here is a simple guide to help you step by step. It is as simple as ABC. Now the first step is to do your research. Check out property listings and areas that have the potential to develop. I personally recommend you check out Adron Homes. Getting a reliable real estate agent who can navigate the buying process with you, negotiation, paperwork, and also guide you through the entire process. Someone like Mr. Property, the property. Third step is going for a site inspection. You need to check out the site thoroughly for any encumbrance or existing legal issues. Fourth step, talk to a lawyer. Very, very important. Before you make any payment, before you sign any document, consult your lawyer to help review the most important documents that you will need when completing a real estate transaction. The fifth step, which is your favorite step, closing the deal. So after going through all your documents, reviewing your documents, you've checked your payments, you've checked whether there's an existing encumbrance or not, now it's time to close that deal. Congratulations, you are now a landowner in Nigeria. Right now, yes, like right now. Send me that DM, share this video, tag your friends, like and follow for more. I'll see you around. Boomba!